Okay, now we will discuss. Suppose if we want to find out few images in the Docker Hub, so what is the command we have to use for that? We will type Docker search, and suppose you want to find if any Ubuntu images are there or not. Ubuntu. So it is giving us the output. There are plenty options we have, like the command starts from here, Docker search Ubuntu, and here this side the names and descriptions. So this Ubuntu is for Ubuntu is a Debian based Linux operating system, and a few of the description is there. So it's like a few of the flavors and a few varieties of images that are available here in the Docker Hub. So as per our requirement, we can just download any type of images, and we can just use according to our uses. So if we want to pull that particular image, so Docker pull ubuntu, Docker pull Ubuntu. So now we can see it is trying to pull the Ubuntu image from the Docker Hub. So we can see here the latest pulling from library Ubuntu, and the tag using default tag is latest. Then the status downloaded newer image for Ubuntu latest, and docker.io library Ubuntu latest. So the first thing, like when we are going to give the command, the Docker first will search in the local, and if the Docker could not find the particular image in the local, then it will contact to the Docker hub. So Docker hub is a registry, or we can say is an inventory where a lots of images are there, where we can just find our required images, and we have to pull that images. So once Docker will pull the image into its local, the next time when we will do the same thing, then Docker daemon don't go to Docker hub again, because it's already there in the local. So now we will discuss the some another commands, like to give the name of how to give the name of a container, or to run it. Now we have the Ubuntu image with us. So let's do some experiment with that. Docker run -it name. Suppose I want to give the name as a practice, deep practice. Okay, so after that I will give the image name, and then we have to give bin best as the path. So now let's just run the command. Now we can see after the command Docker run -it name, and this is the name what I want to give the name as my container, and this is the image name. So we have downloaded, I mean we have pulled the Ubuntu image from Docker Hub, and by using this image, on the basis of this image, we have created one container. So now you can see before you can just see the difference here, where we have given the Docker command Docker pull Ubuntu. You can see we are logging as EC2 user, but now if you see here, you can see the difference. We are inside the container. Deep practice is our container, and we are already inside it. So if we want to like go to, I mean if you start to the Docker container, we can give also so few of the commands. So